Welcome back to Royals Decor, where each episode gently unveils a new theme, a fresh source of inspiration, and a quiet story woven into every space we share. I'm truly glad you're here. Take a moment to settle in, explore, and enjoy what we've thoughtfully created for you. Beginning with this room, thoughtfully shaped with a touch of Japandi style. Simple, minimal, and beautifully balanced, where warmth meets a quiet, refined elegance. A home where light, texture, and nature come together in gentle harmony, where every corner feels intentional, calm, and deeply comforting. From serene reading corners to calming ritual spaces. In this tranquil space, time slows, breaths deepen, and beauty is found in the understated. Let's step into this peaceful world together and explore how the elegance of the red maple can transform a home into a sanctuary. The Japanese red maple, or Acer palmatum, is admired for its delicate, hand-shaped leaves and its striking seasonal color, shifting from deep crimson to fiery orange. Its graceful branches and soft canopy create a calm atmosphere, beautifully complementing minimalist interiors shaped by light, space, and harmony. The red maple brings a quiet sense of life and movement. Its organic form softens the space, while its color creates a subtle focal point, gently connecting the indoors with nature. This kitchen blends calm Japanese minimalism with warm natural tones. An Amari-style tea set rests on a wooden tray, adding a quiet elegance to the space. In this home, nothing is placed without purpose. A lone ceramic form rests in quiet confidence, and wood, warm and grounded, tells its silent story. Each piece belongs, not to fill space, but to give it meaning. A quiet contrast begins to unfold. The Japanese maple, deep red and gently alive. Its presence softens the stillness, threading warmth through the calm, a subtle pulse of color and feeling woven into the space. In this serene room, simplicity settles into every corner. Soft tones and clean lines create a quiet sense of balance, while the maple tree adds a gentle touch of life. Dear friends, I want to remind you that in this home, minimalism comes alive, where simplicity meets expression, and calm and color live in quiet harmony. I hope you enjoyed today's theme. If you liked this decor, feel free to leave a note in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I'll see you soon with a new theme.